Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can track any type of clicks which is happening on the website with the help of Google Tag Manager and sending that data to GA4. So let's have a look at this, how we can set this up. So for this, we are going to create first a trigger, which will be a click-based trigger. So we can go to the triggers section where we are going to start creating this. So we're going to create a click-based trigger, which can be all elements. All elements is the one which tracks every kind of click which is happening on our website. So we can create this one and we can name this, let's say, click trigger. And for this, we will need to also have a tag which it will fire, which can send the data to GA4. So now we are going to create a tag, a GA4 event tag. And we need to provide the measurement ID. So here now you can make use of the variable which we had created in the previous videos. So rather than going to the analytics account, you can just make use of the variable. So if you remember in the previous videos, we had created a variable called GA4 ID constant, which we can now use out here specifically, and then we can give it a name. And in this, we are going to attach the click trigger in this particular manner. And this is going to be the clicks specific tag which we are creating, which is going to go to GA4. And we can save this. So now this is created with the particular trigger which we have created. So we can do a preview of this. And we can see how it is going to work. So now it is being created. So it has not fired yet. We can just scroll through it. And now if you click on certain pages, like I'm clicking on this or the skills part, or let's say somewhere empty part as well. Now it has triggered. So you can see this has triggered for us. And this is the event which we had named, we had given the measurement ID, which I can see out here. So now this data is getting triggered, and this will also now show up on the page as well on our analytics account. So where the data will be transferred to. So we will be able to see it out here as well. Specifically, we can see all clicks is coming up here as well, which we had created as an event. So now the data is moving to analytics. So in this simple manner, guys, we are able to create a clicks-based tag as well through Google Tag Manager, which is going to track all kind of clicks happening on our website. I hope this makes sense. You understand the whole process, how we went about creating it. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.